Students, today we will continue our reading of block 18. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 8. Block number 18. Yes, page number 8. Materials and their forms. Okay, so today we will start our reading from line number 7, means properties of three forms of matter. But before starting properties, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied that every material is made up of matter. हर material एक matter से बना हुआ है. And matter are of three type. Number 1, solid, like this pencil is solid. Number 2, liquid, like water is liquid. Number 3, gas. So students, I will show you an example of gas. Yes, I have this perfume bottle. When I spray like this, the gas passes out, okay, and then gas can spread to the whole area. gas जो है, जब परफ्यूम में से जो गैस है और रूम फ्रेशनर से जो गैस है वो बाहर आई, then it can spread to whole area. Okay, so we all understand that every material is made up of three type of matter. Number 1 is of solid, number 2 is of liquid, and number 3 is of gas. Okay students, so today we will study what are the properties of three forms. Number 1, solid. Okay, so students, solid have a fixed shape. Like I will show you a eraser. Eraser का fixed shape है, बना हुआ ये fixed shape है. Okay, like बाउल हैव ए फिक्स शेप. इसका शेप चेंज होगा क्या? नो. हम स्क्वीज भी करेंगे तो भी शेप इसका चेंज नहीं होगा. तो सॉलिड हैव ए फिक्स्ड शेप एंड टेकन अप द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस, यानी कि वो जो अपनी स्पेस लेगा वो भी सेम रहेगी. लाइक व्हेन आई पुट दिस बाउल ऑन book, same space. If I put this bowl on table, same space. Means solid have a fixed shape and same amount of space which is taken by solid. Number 2 beta, properties of liquid. They can flow easily. Means they can flow, वो flow कर सकते हैं. Okay, like I have water in a glass, and if I want to flow, I flow in this bowl. Okay students, means a liquid can flow. Liquid can flow. Liquid do not have a fixed shape. Liquid की कोई fixed shape नहीं होती. Okay, like liquid water in a glass have a shape of glass, and if I put water in a bowl, the water shape is of bowl. It means shape of liquid is changed. Okay beta, they take the same amount of space. Beta, listen carefully. If I am putting the water from glass to bowl, जो उनका अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस है वो सेम रहेगा. ओके, मीन्स लाइक वाटर अगर ग्लास में है तो ग्लास छोटा है, सो वाटर की लेवल यहाँ तक रहेगा. एंड इफ आई पुट द वाटर इन द ब्रॉड बाउल, तो वाटर का लेवल जो है वो इस तरीके से आ जाएगा. बट जो अमाउंट ये लेंगे, स्पेस जो लेंगे, वो ऑलवेज सेम रहेगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लिक्विड की क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टी है? दे कैन फ्लो इजीली, दे डू नॉट हैव अ फिक्स्ड शेप. इनका कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होता. In which item we are putting the liquid can change their shape. Okay. Then properties of gas, they can flow easily. मैंने आपको बताया, if I put a spray, okay, तो क्या होगा? The gas which comes out from this perfume can spread all over the area. पूरे एरिया में हो जाएगा. ओके, दे डू नॉट हैव अ फिक्स शेप. इनकी कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होती. एंड दे टेक द शेप ऑफ कंटेनर. इन द कंटेनर विच वी आर पुटिंग, दे शेप द they take the shape of that container. Like sometime leakage of gases in our kitchen, the gas can spread to the whole kitchen. It means the gas can take the area or shape of the kitchen. Okay beta, so let's revise property. Shape, solid have a fixed shape, volume fixed, liquid take the shape of container, fixed, volume fixed रहेगा लेकिन they take the shape of container, and gas have take the shape of container and fill the volume of container. Okay students, like another example I just want to show you that this is a salt, and salt is a solid, have crystal, and if I put in a bowl, okay, if I put in a bowl and I just want to spread some water on the salt, okay, and I stir, then what happen? Solid can change the shape. Yes, salt mixed in water. Okay students, so these properties you have to learn. Okay, solid have a fixed shape, liquid takes the shape of container, gas also takes the shape of container. Okay, one question more students, are human beings solid, liquid or gas? Yes, we are solid, liquid or gas. We are combination of solid, liquid, gas because we have a solid bones, liquid blood, and gas we can breathe the air, that is gas. Okay students, so read it carefully and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.